Good morning, everyone. Good morning, students.
Good morning,
Good
teacher.
morning,
Good morning,
teacher.
teacher.
All right, good morning. And today is another day and another day for us to discuss regarding our topic. Okay? But anyway, as I have said, we are having a light topic today, and that is all about box plots. All right? And we had started that one last time, and we defined and gave meaning what is a box plot. And then we connect that one also with statistics. How to find the mean, meaning the average of the values of a given set of data. But here, we focus on the 5 items that we are going to find out. Okay? So what are these 5? Let me share with you the discussions that we have because our topic will be about constructing and interpreting box plots. Okay? And to construct and to interpret, we need to review what we had discussed last time regarding the quartile range, and the median, and all others. All right. So the focus now is constructing and interpreting box plots. All right, but we need also to, okay, last meeting, we discussed regarding the meaning of, okay, quartiles. We discussed also what is the meaning of median, and we discuss also what is a box plot. Okay, so it is just a visual representation of the concentration of data. And take note of the 5 values that we are trying to find out, because that will be in connection with the topic of today, which is to interpret a given box plot. Okay, so there we will get what is the highest value, what is the lowest value, what is the median, what is the first or the lower quartile, what is the third or upper quartile, and the highest value. Okay, so these 5 items or values will be the one to be interpreted in our box plots. All right. And last time also we discussed what is a median, which is the middle value of the set of data arranged from smallest to highest, or ascending order. Okay, so take note of that one. Always arrange the data in ascending order. And quartiles also are values that divide the set of data into 4 equal parts. The data has been arranged in ascending order. All right. Pawan, you read what is the next, the first or lower quartile. Pawan.
Okay, the first or lower quartile is the median of the half of the data.
Okay. The first or lower quartile is the median, okay, of the half. Take note, the lowest value, the lower half, median, upper half, highest value. All right, so these are the 5. Again, lowest value, the lower half, which we get the lower quartile, median, upper half, which we get the third quartile, and the highest value. Okay, so that is very important. All right, continue reading, Dean. To find the first or third quartiles, Dean.
To find the first or third quantile, we need to find the median first, then find the median for the lower half or upper half of the data.
Okay, so I review this one because we will be performing calculations. So to find the first and the third quartiles, we need to find the median first so that we can get the lower half and also the upper half. And the first quartile is the median of the lower half. And the upper quartile also is the median of the upper half. So that is how we are going to find out. And the lowest value is the smallest in the set of data. The highest value is the highest in that given set of data. Okay. And we had tried also calculating the median, the first quartile and the third quartile. All right. So that was what we have discussed last meeting. So today, we now, as I have said, go to constructing and interpreting box plots. That means, based on the given data, we will now construct a box plot, and we will now also interpret what is the given data all about. All right? So, given that a set of data 5, 7, 12, 13, 18, 1, 14, 7, 15, 11, 6, 9, and 13. All right. We said that before we get the median, we arrange it in order of magnitude from smallest to biggest. All right. Okay. Take a look on that given set of data. What is the lowest on that data? Kay Mook, what is the lowest on that data? Kay Mook?
1.
1, and the highest is?
18.
18. So when we get the range, the lowest is 1, the highest it is 18. And when we get the range, that is 18 minus 1. So the range of that set of data is 17. Okay. So that is how to get the range of that given set of data. All right. Range is a set of data which is the difference of the highest value and the lowest value. The bigger the range, the more spread the data, and the smaller the range, the closer the data together, or it could be more consistent. Okay, so interquartile range is the difference between the third quartile and the first quartile. It shows the range of values of the middle 50% of the values. Okay, so those are range and interquartile range. Anyway, we will be solving that one after our discussion. Okay. So given that set of data again, the smallest is 1. All right, as you have said, the smallest is 1, and then the highest is 18. So therefore, if we talk of the range is the highest, which is 18, minus the lowest is 1. So therefore, the range is equals to 17. All right, but we will have to arrange first that set of data in order of magnitude. Okay. All right, Otto. Otto, please unmute.
Yes.
Okay, so this is now the set of data from least to greatest, or from smallest to highest. So how many data are there, Otto?
13.
Okay, so there are 13 data all in all. So therefore, that is an odd number. So we can get directly the median. All right. So again, we can get directly the median on that list of data. Okay. So what is now the median, Otto? As you had said, that is 13 data. The median is? Yes, Otto, what is the median? All right.
1.
Okay, so what is now the median?
1. Oh, 1.
Uh-huh. So again, what is the median? We said the median is the middle value of the set of data.
11 and 12.
Uh-huh.
11.
All right. So you have here from the smallest 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because you said that is 13. So we get also 6 from the highest. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So therefore, the middle value is 11. Okay. So again, the median is 11. Now we continue. All right. We need to find the 5-number summary. So what is that 5-number summary? Based on the given data. Okay, so here we get the minimum value, the lower quartile, the median, upper quartile, and the maximum value. Now, we said that the minimum value is the smallest on that set of data. So therefore, the minimum value is 1. Okay? And the maximum value is the biggest on that set of data. So which is now 18. Okay? So again, the highest value or the maximum value is 18. And we said that the median is 11. Okay, so the median is 11. Now, the lower half from 11, we have here the lower half is 1, 5, 6, 7, 7, 9. So this is the lower half. And the upper half is 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, and 18. All right. Now, to get the quartile 1 or the first quartile, we get also the median of the lower half. So 1, 5, 6, 7, 7, and 9. So there are 6 data in the lower half. So the median is between 6 and 7, which is equivalent to 13. And 13 divided by 2 is, you get there the first quartile equivalent to 6.5. Okay. And then the third quartile is found in the upper half. And there are 6 data there, 12, 13, 13, 14, 15, and 18. Now, half of it is between, all right, 13 and 14. So this is now the third quartile or the upper quartile range. Okay. So that means 13 plus 14 is 27, and half of 27 is 13.5. So we have now the 5 values that we are trying to find out. The minimum, the maximum values, the median of that set of data, the lower half, which is the quartile range 1 or the first quartile, and we get also the third quartile or the median of the upper half, and of course the maximum value, which is 18. All right, so please consider that one because in the activity, we will be solving and applying that learning that we have. Okay? All right, so we now go to, now take note, if, kindly read, Prao, read, if we had, all right, Prao.
If we had an even number of value in our data set, the median would be the mean of the two middle values. In that case, we would cut the data set into two equal half to find the
Quartiles.
quartiles.
Okay, so that means that if the given set of data is even, okay, the example we had is an odd set of data because that is 13. Now in this case, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 set of data, which is even. So to get the median is to get the two middle values. All right. So the two middle values here is 5 and 6. And then 5 plus 6 is 11. And to get the average, 11 divide it by 2. So that is why we get the median, which is 5.5. All right. And of course, the lower half is also even. So therefore, we add the two middle values together, which is 2 plus 3 equals 5, and divide it by 2. So that is why we get the lower half. All right. And also the upper half quartile ranges. Okay. Now, here, this is now how to make the box plot. All right. So, start with a number line. Okay, so please follow. Okay, I want you to read that one. All right, Kaimuk, please read on your screen. Number 3. Oh.
Now we are ready to make our box plot. Start with a number line. The first tick mark I generally make is at the minimum to determine the scale I'm going to use. I will generally find the range max to min and divide by 10 and then round to the nearest integer.
Okay. So you have now here how to make the box plot. Take note, we have that 5 values that we are trying to find out. So the 5 values here, the minimum, we have the first quartile, the median, the third quartile, and the maximum values. All right. So therefore, we plot first the number line. Okay, the number line, and then put the smallest value, and the smallest value is 1. Now, if we consider the range is 18 minus 1. The highest value minus the lowest value is the range. So therefore, we can divide that one and put it in our number line. Okay. Next, after that one, if you have already set the lowest value, then we are now going to plot the 5 dots. Actually, we can make it 1 to 17, 1 to 18 in the number line. It depends. If you want to have a ratio or a scale, then you can do. You can say also 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, like that. Okay. But we can also have 1, 2, 3, 4, or the range is by only 1. Or you can have it by 2, or if the data are big, you can have it by 5, by 10. It depends on the given set of data. So as in here, as an example, we have now here, take note, the lowest value, the maximum value, the lower quartile, the upper quartile, and the median. So the next step now, if we have already this number line, is for us to put the dot, all right, on the 5 values that we had already solved. Okay, so once you have the dot now, then you are now ready to create the box plot. So you have there as shown the 5 values, 1, 6, all right, 6, 11, 13.5, and we have the highest value, which is 18. So we plot that 5 into the number line. Okay. So after that one, we can now draw vertical lines through quartile 1 and quartile 3. Then finish the box connecting them with the horizontal lines. Also draw a vertical line through the median. This is the box. Okay. So as we can see here now, we put the box in that range. Take note, we have that 1 here and 6.5, 11, and 13. So we put it into box, the quartile 1, the median, and the third quartile. So that is why we have here 1, okay, the quartile 1 and the quartile 3 and the median, and then we will put it in a box. Okay, so this is now the box that we have created, and of course you have also the highest value 18 in here. All right, so the next step now will be for us to connect all the dots. Okay, so this is now the box plot of this set of values that we have just mentioned. Okay, showing the lowest value, the median of the lower half or the quartile 1, the median of all set of data, and then the median of the upper half or the quartile 3, and the maximum value, which is 18. Okay, so when you are going to plot the box plot, it should be looking like this one. Your box will be the quartile 1, median, and quartile 2. But do not forget to put, okay, do not forget to put the line in the median area. Okay. Okay, so do you understand it so far? Ton, did you get it? Ton?
Yes, yes.
Okay, Kaimuk, did you get? Prawan? Okay, you can click the thumbs up button, or yes, thank you, Pawan. You can click the thumbs up button so that you can be recognized. Pang, did you get it? Prao, Dean, P, Bas, and Alex? Did you get it all? How to construct a box plot?
Yeah.
Okay, so just remember, arrange first into ascending order, get the median, and you have also the smallest value, the highest value, and the median of the lower half, which is the quartile 1, then the median of the upper half, which is the quartile 3. Okay, so you have that 5 values, and then you can create already a box plot out of it. And we can also interpret on questions being asked. All right. So in that case, since you have understood how to create box plot, then we will now go to interpretation of our box plot. Now get your workbook and open to page 121. All right. Okay, so please take out your workbook now so that we can have the activity. Okay. Okay, so let me see your workbook first. Ton, where is your workbook? Ton, do you have your workbook with you? Ton, Kaimuk, Otto, where are your workbooks? Pawan? Okay, Otto, can show it on the screen. Ton, also, where is your workbook? All right. Okay, thank you, Otto. Kaimuk, where are you, Kaimuk? Dean, Prao, Pang. Pawan, where is your workbook? Okay, show me your workbook. Okay. Now, open that workbook to page 121. Okay. Again, open your workbook to page 121. All right. So we will answer it together as we go along with our discussion. Okay. Okay, so there you go. Insert. Okay, so page 121. Number 1. Okay, take a look on your workbook. Based on the given box plot, answer the questions. All right. Question letter A. Okay, so we have there letter A. A survey was carried out to find the average time spent on television per night. Okay, by a group of adults. The data is presented by the box plot below. Okay, so please now consider and get your workbook. Question letter I. Okay, questions. First question. Okay, Alex. Question number 1. What is the highest number of hours spent on television per night? Alex?
Yes, sir.
Okay, question letter I, page 121. The first question. What is the highest number of hours spent on television per night? What is the highest on that set of data? 100?
Teacher, I don't have book.
Oh. Okay, Otto, do you have your book now? Otto, what is the highest number of hours spent on television per night? 100? Yes, Otto. Oh, Otto, are you there? 100?
100.
The highest is 120
20.
minutes.
120.
Okay. Question number 2. Prawan, what is the answer? Is there anyone in the group who did not watch television at all?
Teacher, may I go to the toilet?
Okay, you go. Yes, Prawan, is there someone in the group who did not watch?
No.
No. Okay, so the answer here is none. Okay, so no one. Okay, so question number 3. Ton, what is the answer? What is the range of time that the middle 50% of the adults spend on television? Okay, range of time in the middle 50% is the quartile 3 minus quartile 1. So that is 75 minus 40. So that is equals to 35. Okay. So that is 35. And then question 4. All right. Question 4. What percent of adults watch television for at least 40 minutes per night? What percent of adults watch television for at least 40 minutes per night? At least 40. So you have there okay. Okay, Ton, what is the answer for number 4? Do you have the answer now, number 4? Ton, do you have the answer now, number 4? Okay, that is 40%. Okay. All right. So please write that one and continue answering that page so that you can prepare now for your next subject. All right. Okay, so that is it now for today. And please answer all the numbers in that page, okay? So that will be all for today, and I thank you all for your participation in the class. All right. So thank you so much, and see you again on the next time. See you again on the next meeting, and you take care of yourself. Okay. So thank you so much, and bye bye for now. See you again on the next. Okay. Again, do not forget to answer completely the activity. That is just for you to get the information based on the box plot that is given. Okay, so thank you so much once again, and see you on the next.